some nations. Plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion. The opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion. The number 2 occupation. Number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji House of commotion. Preaching practical solutions. Fuji House of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2 occupation. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji House of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji House of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
What differences?
I know something.
Hey, now, hey, love you. Hey, love you, Ross. There's this babe, this sweet egg I saw on my way back home.
Where did you see this girl? Does she have a twin sister?
No, do not have. Because this type of babe doesn't have duplicate. You know what? Because God made her on a Monday after he rested the whole weekend. And you know what? He used 2 of my ribs to make her. So until I get her, my ribs are in diaspora.
Bros, this babe that is making you go poetic like this babe must deal.
Wait, you mean you haven't seen the sweet egg from next door? Sweet yellow. She was just walking like this. She was just walking. I was just following her. I was just looking at her. She was just walking. I was just fooling her. Hey!
Broski. Next door.
No.
I hope it's not Beatrice.
Beatrice. Hey. Sweet Beatrice. Rabi, if you have touched that girl in any way, I will kill you. I'm not playing, I will kill you.
Bros, listen. I think you should quit while you are still ahead. Because that girl is spoken for.
Then go and tell her boyfriend that 007 is in town. Because if he magaboo to Bermuda Triangle, he will disappear. Just like that.
He's there. Hey! You there now? You
prepare for what? You want to fight? Prepare for what? You shouldn't rush me, yes. Prepare for let's go, Charlie. Hey, so it's like that, Abby. No, bros. It's like, no, are you seeing them? Bros, are you seeing them? Let it go now. Don't you ever tell me to let it go. Again, Rabbi, are you listening to me? You don't ever tell me to let. Bros, get out.
My school. Down. Go down.
What shit? Did you join us in fighting for it? Oh. All you said was that people should go. Go. You said that.
Stop if I slap you there.
What's everything happen?
Sister Yeji. Sister, I did not know you were around.
I am. So make sure you do not bully anybody.
Me bully? Sister, I did not bully anybody. All I did was just ask them for my own share of the rice and
but you supported Black.
Oh. You people should give him his own food. Give him his own food. Give him his own food.
Give me the rice.
This is your brother's. Manage that one now.
Yes, manage.
You people should not fight again.
Yes, sir.
You better add more. Are you okay? What's this small thing? You better add more. My friend, coordinate yourself there. Comport yourself. What's wrong? I will just sound you out. Add more to this.
See, this is your Joro. You do not fight though.
No respect again, Ali. No respect.
Don't talk to me. Yeah.
I'm not touching it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Now.
Ola, what is what?
I told Brother Agbenro something to make him spark, but he didn't take action.
So, I'm talking to, what did you tell him?
Nothing goes for nothing. What are you giving me?
I was like, no, I don't have anything now. We now.
Okay, give me this meat. This one.
This meat? For what gossip?
I'll tell you everything.
Peggy, keep your hot meal to yourself.
Okay, you come and
What gossip are you gossipers gossiping about?
It's true. Fuji House has been told.
I missed you, Mokeo.
Which abroad? Abroad, come. She went to Johnny Kuton.
You shut up there.
She used her passport and flew in airplane.
Yes.
Oh my. That is abroad, Abi.
What is that? It's not abroad.
Come on, it's okay. Not pass. Very small land.
After all, you've not gone anywhere. You're talking about that I will slap you.
What's up there? International. Do you have a passport? She's here.
Don't mind her. Where?
Darling.
show me something. I said.
Yeah.
What's this?
Yeah.
Me and you. Your girlfriend.
Yeah.
4, 5. Your girlfriend. You have girlfriend. You girlfriend. Yeah. What's wrong with you?
They'll kill themselves already. Do you want them to kill you?
Hey, what is this fight all about?
Who knows?
I know something.
Come now, come.
They just
Keep Come now.
What is happening here?
Bami, we were learning boxing.
And the two of you two.
That will be a match of Bami. Welcome, Bami.
Barrister lawyer. The first Fuji senior advocate of Nigeria by the grace of God.
Yes, so.
What are you doing at home?
Actually, we're on an excursion to the Federal Appeal Court.
Oh, mommy, yeah. That's my child. Fantastic.
And my daughter too.
Kasali, what are you doing at home?
They shut down our school.
I thought you said you came on the weekend.
When did I say that?
Hey!
You mean, Kasali, You mean they shut down Unilag and the whole of Nigeria did not hear about it?
I said school, not university. As in the School of Agriculture.
Yeah. Oh, so school is different from I think your children are my children.
We pay. All of them will pay.
I don't know. He's been at it all morning.
And this one.
Igbo! Shh, don't shout now, sister. Don't shout.
Oh, he will pay. She will pay. All of them will pay.
I found it.
What is this?
Something that...
Lawyer.
You look sweet.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sister Ije. What did you say you were looking for?
No, nothing. Just something that...
Let me see.
Eh?
Let me see. Is something wrong with you? Eh? Is something wrong with you? Eh? Is something wrong with you? Eh? What's wrong with you? Get out of here. I say get out of here.
Mommy, wait. Sorry, ma. Mama, there's no... What is it? Oh, my God. And you know that this leg is paining me, Yejide. What is it, Yejide? What is it? Paining me. Okay, Mommy, I'm sorry. It's Casalio. You people have to be very careful. Abby? He is not alright, though. Bros Casali is in a cult. Chideke? Cult? Campus cult, Mommy. Secret cult. I'll tell my friends in Unilag to find out. But until then, Mommy, keep away from him. I said it. Hey, no wonder he came back to the house on Monday and said he came for weekend. If he is not in a secret cult, he will not have carried my pot of rice The way he carried it from the meeting, from the kitchen. I said it. Kasali apostle of Unilag. Apostle of secret cult. Let me just go and take my children. Will come and kill my children for me. Fati! Bolaji! Oh. I've forgotten. I've gone to school. Oh, it's like safe. Okay. As soon as they come back from school, I am going to call them up to my house.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two.
I don't know.